It's Kitzel's litter. First day outside. And Schatzie's litter. Of course, their first day outside. So they're a little bit nervous at the beginning because this is a big wide world to them. You know, they're used to just being in their pens in the house, so you can imagine. Well, this is Schatzie's. And over here, this Kitzel's all bunched up together here. Eee, what is it? The puppies, what? Yeah. It's a beautiful sunny day, so I just put them out. I'll leave them about an hour out here and just to get them used to it. Tomorrow it'll be a little bit longer. It's supposed to be gorgeous all week. So, what is it? What then? Oh my goodness. What is it? Oh, yeah. I know. And there, Schatzie's. Oh, they're playing over there. Like I said, they'll get used to it, and after a few days, they'll be running around and wrestling and everything. So, anyway, that's it. Back up a little bit so get a view of both litters. And down here, it's Kitzel there. And over here, Schatzie. And that's Loki. And of course, Fritz. Hey, Fritz! Come here, Fritz. Okay, and that's Fritz, the father and of Kitzel's litter and the grandfather of Schatzie's litter. That's how that works. Fritz is Schatzie's father. And they hear the pups crying, so it's upsetting to them. Anyway, it's just a short video. That's it.